Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace GMC Sierra fog lights. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver, a wrench, and your new fog lights. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cooled down before starting any work. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical shorts or issues during the replacement process. This crucial step protects both you and your vehicle's electrical system. Now, let's access those fog lights. You'll typically find the fog light assembly located behind the front bumper. Depending on your Sierra model, you might need to remove a few screws from the splash guard or fender liner to gain clear access. Once you can reach the light, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it away from the old fog light bulb. With access clear, it's time for removal and installation. Unscrew or unclip the old fog light from its housing. This usually involves 2 or 3 screws. Once removed, take your new fog light and carefully insert it into the housing, making sure it seats perfectly. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector to the new light, ensuring a secure and proper connection. You're almost done. Now, reattach any splash guards or fender liners you removed, securing them with their original screws. Next, reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight and secure. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog lights to confirm they are working correctly. Enjoy your improved visibility and the fresh look of your GMC Sierra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.